Talk About It Tuesday, and today's question is definitely a breath of fresh air. Listen to this. During times of inflation, there are always people who make more money. What are three ways people can take advantage of the opportunities to make money now, even when things all around are going haywire? So this is a phenomenal question because most of the time when we think of inflation, all we consider is the pain that is being inflicted upon us, and it doesn't allow us to look past that to see the opportunities that exist because of inflation. So, three ways we can make money from inflation. Well, let's look at inflation. Where is inflation creating the most havoc? One, in housing. We're looking at housing prices in certain regions doubling. We're looking at rental doubling. So where's the opportunity? Any and everywhere in the real estate industry, whether you're talking about being an investor, a real estate agent or broker, a mortgage broker, a home inspector, an appraiser, anywhere in the field of real estate management. There's so many areas in the real estate industry right now that are booming and you have access to them. So if you want to make money, one area is dealing with real estate because it is booming right now. Let's look at another area. Anybody who's tried to get a new car right now knows the struggle. The prices of cars is insane right now. So getting a new car is virtually impossible at a decent price because of the chip shortage. So what are many people doing? They're going to used cars. So what does that mean? Well, if you have a way to gain access to be able to buy and flip used cars, you'll make a nice piece of change. But we have to look beyond that. Everybody can't afford these used cars with an inflated price, which means more people will be getting their cars repaired. So anywhere in the auto repair industry, if you can get your hands in there, and I'm not saying you have to be a mechanic, but if you can invest in an auto repair shop, if you can create a partnership with someone who can do that, there is a ton of money to be made in auto repair and buying and flipping used cars. So where else can we look? So we have to look at what is one of the major things causing inflation. So let's look there. We know that logistics, right, meaning shipping, trucking and shipping are major problems right now. So there is money to be made in transporting goods from one place to another. And I'm not talking about just big trucks. I'm talking about even on a local level with small trucks, vans, any type of deliveries, any type of moving goods from one place to another. If you can get in on, shipping goods, transporting goods, deliveries, then there's money to be made there. So, get creative because those aren't the only areas, but those are three areas that we know: housing, the auto industry, and shipping and deliveries. Those are great areas, but we have to examine all the aspects of inflation and look beyond our pain and look where opportunities exist. So I love that out of the box thinking. I love looking past the pain to see opportunities. Great question. Please like, subscribe, and share. Keep the questions coming, and I'll see you next Tuesday.